Our today's topic is factors. A factor is a number which divides a given number exactly without leaving a remainder. To find out the factor of any number, we have to divide that number from 1 to the number itself. For example, 9. Let's see how to find out the factors of 9. 9 divided by 1 will give us quotient as 9 and remainder as 0. Since here remainder is 0, that means 1 is a factor of 9. 9 divided by 2 will give us quotient as 4 but remainder as 1. Since the remainder is 1, that means 2 is not a factor of 9. Similarly, we will divide 9 from 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9. Let's see what are the results. Here you can see the numbers where we are getting remainder as 0 are mentioned in black colors, and where remainder is not 0 are mentioned in red colors. So we can see only with 1, 3 and 9 the remainder is 0. That means factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Similarly, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. I hope factors is clear to you all. Now it's your turn to find out the factors. Find out the factors of 10. Pause the video and find the answer. Here is your answer. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now we will see some properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. As you know, students, 1 can divide every number without leaving any remainder. That's why 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Since we know division by 0 gives us quotient also as 0. That's why we do not include 0 in factors, and thus 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. As we know, every number can divide itself exactly without leaving any remainder. Like 12 divided by 12 equals to 1, 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. That's why every number is a factor of itself. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. Let's understand this with an example. The greatest number that can divide 9 is a number itself, because 10, 11 and 12 can never divide 9 exactly. That's why it is written every number is the greatest factor of itself. Every number is a factor of 0. As we know, 0 can be divided by any number exactly. For example, 0 divided by 10 equals to 0. 0 divided by 15 equals to 0. That's why it is said every number is a factor of 0. You can see it with some examples also. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Every number is divisible by at least 2 numbers, that is 1 and the number itself. That's why it is said every number has at least 2 factors. You can see the examples. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.